All right, welcome to another installment of Adjunct Instructor. Last time we covered the basics of Excel. Right now, we are going to look into one counting function, which is Vlookup. Very helpful. Okay, I'm using the same inventory list that I did last time. This is a template. Okay, always sort out your lists, or maybe not. It just depends on what type of data you have. You always have to analyze the data and see what fits you versus the next man. Okay? So VLOOKUP. Okay? VLOOKUP, it works like this. Let's say you have a list of parents. Okay? Maybe you work at a health clinic or something like that. And you want to find out which child belongs to that parent. Sorry, I'm going super cold right now. And you want to find out what child belongs to that parent. Okay? So, obviously, you will have to look at the parent and then identify which child belongs to that parent. That's basically how VLOOKUP works. Okay? You're going to want to find the parent first, okay? And then the connection to the child. So you want to find out the child's name. That's basically how VLOOKUP works. And you'll see how this applies, okay? What is VLOOKUP? You can sort this if you want. If you don't want to sort it, that's fine too. But it's a function, okay? Like we were talking about this fx right here. Or if you know it already, I'm going to use this cell, okay? Put an equal sign first. And then type VLOOK. And then Excel, if you're close enough, will give you the function. So you just double click it. It'll automatically put the parentheses in there. Okay, you'll have to put a end parentheses, or you can just press enter. That's fine too. Okay. VLOOKUP. Lookup value. What is the starting value for me? Okay. So a lot of YouTubers, they do, they separate them. They copy like the first column or something like that, and then they paste it somewhere else. We're just gonna keep it simple, okay? Just explain the concept to you guys, okay? VLOOKUP. Lookup value. What is the parent? Okay, you can think of this as the parent, the lookup value as the parent. So let's say I'm trying to find the inventory ID, or the inventory ID is my parent, and it's number 0004. Okay, so I'm going to select that cell. Just click on it, put a comma. That's my parent. Okay. A table array is the entire table. And there's a shortcut for this. I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way. Select from the top left all the way to the bottom of the table. Or I didn't even have to go to the bottom. I could have just selected, maybe 5 rows or something like that. Okay. That's my table array. That's my world. Okay. From everything that I can choose from. Okay. Put a comma. Okay. Then they have column index number. Okay. What am I trying to find? Okay. Let's say in this analogy that I used before. Okay. Inventory ID is the parent. I am trying to find the child, and let's say the child is, let's make this kind of funny. A child is the unit price, okay? Because children are expendable, right? You know? Anyways, so I'm trying to find the child, aka the unit price, okay? So for the column index number, you want to count the columns for the array that you selected. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So you put a 4 in there, comma. And then the range lookup is just, do you want the exact number or the exact child name, or do you want an approximation? Okay, sometimes children get lost, that's all you can do. That is what happens sometimes. You might be raising some other guy's kid and stuff like that. Okay, all right. I was just a joke. Please don't take it seriously. I'm trying to make accounting fun here. Most accountants have a, how you say, stick up their buttocks. Okay. All right. So you type false, it'll return an exact match. Okay. You type true, it'll return an approximation. Okay. Sometimes the two numbers will equal, but most likely for numbers you want to type false. Okay. It works like, if anybody's familiar with binary, 0 1 0 1, that's how it works. Okay. So for me, I am a good father and I want to get the exact name of my child so I can sacrifice, like the goat, sacrifice, because I'm religious and I want to sacrifice the child for the gods. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, it's just a voice I do. Anyways, so you would type false here, and then close the parentheses or press enter, and baboom, it returned 19. Notice it matches. Inventory item 0004, and we're looking for the unit price for inventory item 0004, and it returned 19. You can do formatting if you want, make this a dollar sign, or currency. And bubble. That's all there is to Vlookup. That's all there is to it. You can get fancy and stuff like that and copy some, column, and if you want to find it for multiple items, then you would do that. But in this case, I'm just trying to show you the way. I try to show you the way, my brothers and sisters, okay? And that's all. That is all. Next time we'll talk about pivot tables. So that'll be in a future video. And also we'll cover Word. These are useful programs. Learn these programs, trust me. You will get hired immediately. Okay? But that's it for this video. Peace, my brothers and sisters.